Hello everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. So today is day 12 and today I am going to teach you a word that describes a personality, a type of person everyone enjoys being around. And yes, I'll also show you a simple way to understand this word easily. Plus, I'll give you some idiom and phrasal verbs so you can use instead. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's begin. So today's word of the day is gregarious. Yes, the correct pronunciation is gregarious. We use gregarious as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. Gregarious means someone who's very social, friendly and enjoys being around people. In हिंदी gregarious का मतलब होता है जिनको लोगों के साथ रहना बहुत पसंद होता है, जो बहुत ही मिलनसार होते हैं, लोगों के साथ जल्दी घुल मिल जाते हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं gregarious. Now look at some synonyms of this word. Sociable, friendly, outgoing, talkative and extrovert. These are the synonyms of this word. Now let's understand this word more with some examples. She has a gregarious personality that attracts everyone. I used to be an introvert, but now I am trying to become more gregarious. Now, here is a simple way to understand this word. Think of a person who always who's always like talking, smiling and making friends wherever they go. So this type of person called gregarious. So here is just a simple way to understand this word. Love being with people means gregarious. Now I'll show you some alternatives you can use. If somehow you forget this word, you can still these alternatives. So idiom, a people person. She is really a people person. Phrasal verbs, hang out. I love to hang out with my friends. Get along with. She gets along with everyone. See, these are the alternatives you can use instead of gregarious. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video with another powerful word. Till then, use this word as much as in your conversation. Use these alternatives. You can use anything, whatever you are liking. If you are like idiom, if you like phrasal verbs, if you like this word, it depends on you how you are enjoying. So just use that as much as possible and try to make sentences. Bye bye. See you.